Hey, welcome back to MarineMax. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I am standing in front of one of the most anticipated releases for the 2026 model year. That is the all-new Sea Ray Boats SDX 230. We're very excited to have this boat in stock. We've been looking forward to it for a long time. This particular one you see behind me is a stern drive variant finished in the Sea Ray blue with the white bottom. It's also going to have the black water sports tower with the accent panels. This boat is also going to be available as a surf as well as an outboard in the coming months. Let's climb aboard and check out some of the interior features of this all-new Sea Ray SDX 230. As we step aboard this all-new SDX 230, you're going to see a lot of elements of Sea Ray heritage as well as some influence from other models in the SDX series of boats. Starting at the transom, this boat's going to have a submersible swim platform right here in the center, just next to your telescoping ladder that's under that hatch. You've got a ski tow point right back there on the back side of your sun lounger, as well as a grab handle for getting in and out of the boat. As we walk inside, you see we've got a nice large lounge here. This is in the dune color. On all of the SDX boats, you have this seat back that flips either direction to give you that flexible space. Cup holders back here for your rear passengers, as well as a USB charger. We've also got a Transom stereo remote there to control those tunes. As we step further into the boat, you're gonna have a nice block-off door here on the starboard side. Keep those pets and kids in the boat while you're underway. Storage under your walk-through door. Great spot for dock lines and things like that. As we come further in, you're going to see this is a very well-equipped boat with the SeaDeck flooring. Already touched on the dune interior. This boat is also going to have the optional table package. These tables can stow away in a dedicated area when not in use. One of the hallmark features of the SDX series is this boat is designed for family and for entertaining. As you climb aboard, you see you've got lots of seating with flip-flop seats, both port and starboard. You can customize your experience there. You're gonna have lots of phone chargers throughout the boat, cup holders as well. The Helm is a very comfortable place to be on this all-new SDX 230. You've got twin Simrad screens navigating the way up top, as well as a tilt base for your steering wheel here to customize your seating position. Over on the left side, you're gonna have switches for your lights, bilge pump, and all your analog controls. And over to the right, you're gonna have a nice little phone cubby, as well as controls for your Lenco trim tabs that are optional and equipped on this particular boat. You get your key switch down here, as well as USB charger for your captain. Captain's also gonna have a wireless charger down here next to their cup holder. Mercury digital throttle and shift is standard on all 6.2 liter inboard outboard boats. It's a great setup, very comfortable and very smooth to operate here at the Helm. As we come forward on this SDX 230, you're gonna notice some of the heritage from the other SDX models that have been recently redesigned. Your main audio head unit is now on the port side for your passengers to control. Also gonna have audio controls in the screen for the driver, as well as that Transom remote we saw earlier. Nice little glove box storage over here, great spot for your phone, keys, wallet, things like that. As well as this textured pad up here to throw some other items. Your passenger's gonna have a cup holder up here as well, and plenty of cup holders throughout the boat, including over here. One of the hallmark features on the SDX series from Sea Ray is this offset walkthrough you see me standing in right now. What the offset gives you is the ability to have a much larger head compartment for the size, and this SDX 230 has an incredibly large head. It can be opened up here. Boat's got a toilet in there. It's got cushions as well, and you see those two cushions in the back that can cover over your toilet and turn it into a larger space. Once you're done, very easy to close this up here. The two-piece door, get in and out very easily. Got a nice curved windshield on the new generation SDX series of boats. Folds over nice and easily, and in combination with your block-off door, you keep those elements out when you want them out. With this flipped over, got a nice mechanical latch here to hold it open, keep it from rattling when you're underway. Up at the front, we've got the table installed right now. This is also a space where the table can be stowed back under that back seat. It's a great entertainment zone up here. With your table expanded, it's a great place for cards, hang out, eat, and enjoy. There's also an optional bow filler cushion to fill this in and turn into a nice sun pad. Up at the very front of the boat, you can have dedicated storage for your anchor and your bow boarding ladder. In addition to that, your cup holders up here are very easy access. You've also got USBs on either side for your forward occupants. Last but not least, you'll notice that I'm sitting under the optional shade up here at the bow. This shade can be removed with these 4 carbon fiber poles and stowed away when not in use. It's a great way to extend your days out on the water. That's been a quick video overview of this highly anticipated new release from Sea Ray Boats. This SDX 230 is available now and in stock at MarineMax Lake Norman. We've got several more boats on the way and in our national inventory. Give us a call if you have any questions. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.